darling, it feels like sensitivity. Take us the sun.
Ako, yes na ako.
Sige.
Yeah!
Wow! Triple yes! Ito kaya magpipisa from Davao na matindi daw pag-iensayo maka-yes din? Meet the cousin.
Tell me that you're sorry, do you think I've turned around? It's too late to apologize. It's too late.
Finish na ang revision nyo.
Sige, yes ako.
Okay, I'll say yes to you guys.
Summer na nga! Dahil ang init na ng labanan.
Summer na nga. Dahil parang sikat ng araw kung magpasikat ang mga contestant. At itong susunod nating contestant.